After the controversies related to adulterated ghee being used at Tirupati's famous laddus and controversies around the donations at Ram Mandir Trust, another religious institute has come into a center of scrutiny. Here we are talking about famous 500-year-old Butati Dham situated in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. This time, a government investigation has uncovered an alleged financial scandal at one of the Rajasthan's most revered temple. Authorities have repeated financial irregularities worth rupees 22.74 crore at 500-year-old Butati Dham temple in Nagaur. This has raised serious concerns over the management of devotees' donation and transparency in temple finances. Understanding why Butati Dham is famous. Butati Dham is located in Kuchera town, which is about 40 kilometers from Nagaur district, and this is located on Ajmer-Nagaur highway. Why is Butati Dham so famous? Butati Dham is known for years and almost 500 years. People suffering from paralysis, when they visit Butati Dham, it is said that they get relief and they recover. What is the controversy? The investigation began after allegation of financial irregularity against the temple's development committee came into limelight. On the order of the Nagaur district collector Arun Kumar Purohit, a 13-member inquiry committee led by Digana SDM Mohan Chaudhary was formed. After 146 days of investigation, the committee submitted its report on June 23, 2026. According to the report, financial irregularity worth rupees 15.16 crore were found during the financial year 2023-2024 and during the financial year 2024-2025. Since records for 2025-2026 were allegedly not provided, the committee added another rupees 7.58 crore based on adverse assessment, taking the total irregularities of fund to rupees 22.74 crore. The report also points to discrepancies in the temple's gold and silver records. While previous records showed 36 kg of silver and 250 grams of gold, a new committee report 35.5 kg of silver and 280 gram of gold. However, jewellery worth approximately rupees 26 crore reportedly had no proper stock register or accounting records. Investigation also alleged irregularity in temple's dining hall construction. Although the committee claimed to have spent rupees 49.49 lakhs, the report states that the ground floor was actually built by a private donor. Similar concerns were raised over other donor-funded construction work, rental income, donation accountability, and use of temple funds. The inquiry committee has recommended registering an FIR against the Temple Development Committee President Devendra Singh and 10 other current and former office bearers on charges including criminal breach of trust, cheating, falsification of accounts, and destruction of evidence. It has also recommended recovery of alleged misuse funds. However, Devendra Singh has strongly denied all allegations, calling the investigation politically motivated and one-sided. He claimed all documents were submitted and has demanded a fresh inquiry. Meanwhile, Nagaur District Collector Devendra Kumar Yadav said the committee was given sufficient time to submit records, but many documents were not provided on time. He confirmed the financial irregularities were found, but added that due to High Court's direction, no immediate action can be taken. Reacting to the case, Nagaur MP Hanuman Beniwal described the alleged scam as a betrayal of millions of devotees' faith. He urged the Rajasthan government to ensure strict legal action against anyone found guilty and to protect transparency in religious institutes. This case of Butati Dham has become the biggest financial controversies of religious institutes in Rajasthan. It is to be seen What course of action will this case take? It all depends upon the court judgment. With this note and with this information, signing off Swapna from the CSR Journal.